today we are going to study the larval form, that is Trochophore larva. The development is indirect. In case of need is there is a larva, that is Trochophore larva, and Trochophore larva is actually an oval shaped transparent ciliated larva. You can see so many cilium, this cilium in their body. Okay, upper cleft of cilia and lower cilia, as well as group of cilia here. Okay, so these are ciliated larvae, and actually the anterior region, this region is broader compared to the lower region. Okay, and it has a mouth. This is their mouth. Then esophagus, mouth is there, and mouth is led to esophagus. Then a stomach is there. Okay, stomach, this one is stomach. Then after stomach there is intestine, and intestine will open at the posterior tip of body as anus. Okay, and this is their digestive system, and they feed on small planktons and microorganisms, as well as their excretory organ is protonephridia. This is protonephridia, small tube-like organ, that is protonephridia, and they have so many cilia. Actually, two bands of cilia, and first one just above the mouth, a band of cilia. It is called prototroch. Prototroch, a band of cilia just above the mouth, and second one is just behind the mouth, and this group of cilia is called telotroch. Telotroch, just behind the mouth. This is about the Trochophore larva, and it consists of two poles. Upper half, or the upper pole, consists of an apical organ or the apical plate, and apical plate bear apical tuft. That's a group of cilia. This is the apical tuft group of cilia in the anterior pole, and also a group of and then tuft in the posterior region, that is called anal tuft. Okay, actually it is not telotroch, it is anal tuft. According to your test, it is not telotroch. Telotroch is, this one is called telotroch. That means a cilia just behind the mouth. Okay, and this is anal tuft of cilia. This one is anal tuft. So Trochophore larva is larval form of polychaeta, especially in case of need is larval form. It consists of a digestive system, and bands of cilia are there. Two bands. First one is prototroch. Second, that is just above the mouth in the midline, and second one is telotroch, that is just behind the mouth in the midline. Then their excretory organ is protonephridia, and they feed on small planktons and microorganisms. They have two poles, and in the anterior pole there is an apical cleft or apical plate is there, and from the apical plate there is a tuft of cilia. It is called apical tuft, and in the posterior pole there is a group of or tuft of cilia. It is called anal tuft cilia. Okay, this is about the troch